God, guys, we're at the train station. We left the Airbnb.
Okay, let me just spiel. So we, as you guys know, are going from Florence to Manarola today, and our original train was supposed to be from Florence to Pisa, and then from Pisa to La Spezia, and then from La Spezia to Manarola. So we got to Pisa, and we're here now. And our train, we had like 40 minutes before, to wait for our next train. And we check the platform is supposed to be platform 6, so we get some food and we're just chilling, and then we go to platform 6 and it's not there. And then
never showed up.
But no, I think it was at a completely different platform. It was on 2. So then we missed it, and then we had to figure out, we have no Wi-Fi. So we had to somehow figure out what train to take instead. So I had to turn on my data to rebook the tickets and everything, which was very stressful. So we're waiting for that train now to go from Pisa to La Spezia, and hopefully it's smooth for the rest of the journey. But this one is supposed to be here literally in 2 minutes, and it's still not here, so I feel like it's going to be delayed. So it's been a very frustrating experience so far, but we're gonna make it, and it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Okay guys, so we just got to our Airbnb in Manarola. The whole train situation was very hectic, but we ended up getting here. There was no more issues after we got on the train from Pisa. There were a million fucking steps on the way up to this Airbnb because it's at the top of a hill. So that wasn't fun with the suitcases, but the guy carried my suitcase. So Ivan had to carry, the guy carried Ivan's suitcase, which is lighter, and Ivan had to carry mine, which is really heavy, and I felt so bad. But here's a little quick tour of our Airbnb here. So you walk in from this door, and you've got the bedroom, this little section that we've already messed up with our shit. The bathroom is through here. This shower is so big and just so nice. Very cute. Okay, so we just got settled into the Airbnb, and now we're gonna try to go swimming because it's so nice out, and I just think it'll be really refreshing after being on trains all day. So yeah, and I just also wanted to show you guys our Airbnb's patio because I didn't show you that in the tour. So here, so you walk out here. This is the main entrance. Look at all the fucking stairs. You don't understand how many stairs. But anyway, so you walk up, come in here, and this is our balcony. It's this huge balcony. And then with this gorgeous view, you walk out to the edge, and you can just see all the way down to the water. It's really hard to see right now because it's very hazy. You can't even see where the water ends and the sky begins, so I'll try to take some shots another day. But yeah, gorgeous view. Let's go swimming.
Finally.
Okay, so we found the water, but we're trying to decide if we want to swim or not.
I don't know.
Because it's not that hot, and it's kind of cloudy, and there's a lot of people here. But it does look really nice. Guys, there's a millipede in our bathroom right there.
Motherfucker's a sprinter.
Ivan's trying to kill it. Oh.
I have him wounded.
Focus, focus, focus.
He's wounded, boys. I'm going in for the final blow. I'm hoping to at least injure a leg or get him in half. Oh, he's fucking big. Bitch. Hey, look at him moving. He's moving his little legs.
Oh, it's so gross. Hold on, let me zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's disgusting and I want to die.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we swam.
Forgot to vlog it, but we did swim.
We'll vlog it tomorrow though, because we'll go swimming again, we'll vlog it. The water is actually it's cold as soon as you get in, but once you get used to it, it's nice. And I drank a bit of it and it's salty and I wanted to die, but now we're gonna go get some food.
Okay, so we were just eating at this really nice restaurant, and the food was pretty good. But as I was like finishing my food, I was like moving my arm, and my fork was like leaning off of my plate, kind of like resting. And then I hit it with my arm, and it fell off the table. And we were sitting on like the ledge of this like cliff, basically, like looking out onto the water, and my fork fell like off the whole building.
Went all the way down.
It just clanged everywhere like it was a knife. Oh no, it was a knife. It could have killed somebody. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. It was so loud too. Okay, bye. For reference, this is where we were eating. So we were eating right here, and it fell all the way down. Oh god.
Good morning, guys. Today's Saturday. After the restaurant yesterday, we came back home. I passed out in like 30 minutes, and we just both went to bed. But today, bro, first of all, Cynthia right now is booking an appointment at the Apple Store in Rome because her phone is absolutely fucked. The battery's swelling. I don't know if you guys can see. It's fucked. It's not supposed to be like that. The battery's swelling in there, so we have to go to the Apple Store to get that replaced for her, because if you use that shit could explode or some crazy shit, so that we're gonna get that done in Rome. In case you guys can see, so this is what a normal side of an iPhone looks like, and this is the other side. Like the screen is fucking lifting off. So now, luckily I brought my work iPhone, so she's gonna just use that. We're gonna put the SIM card in there. And then we're gonna get out of here. It's already noon. It's 12:30. We haven't left the Airbnb. It's kind of sad. But we're gonna go get something to eat, maybe another coffee, because I'm making one right now. And then we're gonna also go to the other little towns around here. Specifically one called, what is it? Rio Maggiore or something like that. Anyway, they're all beautiful, so we're gonna go check that one out because it's really close. Get some pictures, maybe go for another swim, but yeah. Wow, it's crazy how busy it is.
Okay, so we stopped at this little sandwich shop and got these good sandwiches, and now we're just sitting here enjoying the view. Don't vlog this.
That's just 4 more steps.
I don't want them to know.
Come on. I'm out of breath too, I feel like we're gonna die.
3, 4, 5, 6.
And we got these more. I hate this.
It's so hot out.
I love it too. Little update for you guys. We're trying to find a place to swim because it's literally so fucking hot.
Now.
Yeah. Wait, did we update them about that? Anyway, yeah, we're in Rio Maggiore now. Fucking gorgeous views. Look at this shit. Anyway, we're trying to find a place to swim because it's so hot out right now. So yeah, we're gonna do that before we pass out. Good morning, guys. Today's our last full day in Manarola, so we're just gonna try to make the most of it. I don't really know what we have planned today, but we'll definitely try to go swimming again. We're gonna go back to the sandwich shop that we went to yesterday because I can't stop thinking about that sandwich since yesterday. And they also have this coffee. It's like a cappuccino with gelato inside of it, so we gotta try that. You already know. But yeah, that's the plans for today. We'll take you guys along, and then tomorrow we got to get up pretty early and check out of here at 10 a.m. And then we're heading to our last city here in Italy, which will be Rome. It's actually crazy how fast this trip is going by. It's depressing, honestly, but anyway, we'll make the most out of it. for the day?
I think so. I dressed very flowy, very breathable today, because yesterday I got really grumpy because it was so disgustingly hot.
Yeah, she turned into me, boy. She turned into me.
So today it's gonna be the same hotness, but I feel more prepared. So I think I'm ready for the day, yes.
All right.
Can we go get those sandwiches again?
I was literally just telling them that, so we are 100%.
Yes, okay.
All right, guys, we got our sandwiches. Thank God. But oh my God, what a fucking story we have to tell you guys. I'm just gonna let Cynthia, because I don't know how to explain stories.
Okay, so we get to the restaurant and we wanted to sit on the patio outside and we're waiting. There's like a free table already there and we're just waiting outside at the entrance, waiting for the table to be cleared because like there's someone else's like dirty cutlery and like
Coffee
plates
mug and shit, yeah.
and coffee and stuff on it. So we're waiting for the waiter to clear the table, wipe it down, and then we'll go sit in it. So we're just waiting there. It hasn't been that long, and then like there's a menu on this side of the doorway, and then we were standing on this side. So like it was very apparent that we weren't just like sitting there reading the menu. Like it was very obvious we were standing there waiting for the one table available to be cleared. And this couple stands right next to us, and they're reading the menu. They're standing there reading the menu. And then all of a sudden, they just like quickly sneak past us, and you can also go inside and get takeout at this place. So at first we were like, oh, they're probably just like going inside to get takeout. But no, they quickly sneak past us, make it look like they're going inside to order takeout, but then quickly turn and take the only available table that has all this dirty plates and stuff on it.
Yeah.
And then they just go sit there. And then me and Ivan just stare at them, and they stare right back at us, knowing that they took the table we were waiting for. And like, so then me and Ivan had to go inside and get them for takeout. But like, they obviously knew that we were waiting for that table, and they were just like, oh, fuck these people. And they sat at the table. Like, you're supposed to, we're in a pandemic too. Like, you're supposed to wait for someone else's dirty stuff to be taken away and for the table to be sanitized.
Yeah.
Like, the waiter is sanitizing tables, you're supposed to wait. And they just stole the table.
Basically, fuck them. I hope his girlfriend cheats on him, and I hope he catches chlamydia. Is that rude? Ah, fuck him.
Okay guys, so we're in Vernaza now. We just found this little photo spot, so we've just been like sitting here enjoying the view and taking photos. Sitting on this little bench. But Ivan really has to pee, so now we're gonna try
And
to...
I need a Red Bull.
And he needs a Red Bull, so we're gonna try to go find a place to buy Red Bull that has a bathroom so we can use the bathroom.
Thank God.
Spotted the Red Bull. Ivan's going in.
What's up?
Secure the package.
Oh my God, necessary.
He's absolutely gonna be a new man after this. Also, look how freaking busy it is here. Actually, this is like the least busy it's ever been, but like, yeah. Okay, right now we're waiting for the train to go back into Manarola and hopefully go swimming there. I think Ivan's gonna jump off one of the big rocks.
Hopefully.
So I will try to vlog that for you guys. Update. So when we got home to change into our bathing suits to go swimming, we ended up falling asleep. So we just woke up from a nap. It's like 7 o'clock now. The sun is setting, so we're just gonna sit out here on our balcony and watch the sunset for a bit, which I'll show you in a second. But also a funny story that happened on the train on the way back is like Ivan and I didn't buy a train ticket because we're like 2 stops away. And like we have not bought a train ticket the entire time here. And of course, literally as we pull up to our stop, like we're getting off, the train inspector is like, oh, let me see your ticket. And we're like, oh, we pretend to look for it. And of course we don't have one. So then he fines us 54 euros each.
Buy your tickets, kids.
Yeah, no, I mean, it was just like, I don't know, unfortunate. It was, whatever, but it was very annoying. Anyway, here's the sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. This is our last day and we check out tomorrow, so last sunset here. Definitely gonna miss it.
Alright, we're about to head out to dinner now. This is a quick little fit check. Boom. Okay. Okay. And this is what I'm wearing. Beautiful, stunning, best looking people here.
Let's go eat. Okay guys, we're checking out of our Airbnb in Manarola. Very sad day. Don't want to leave. But we're off to Rome. Although we have to wait around. Like we're checking out of here at 10 and our train to Rome doesn't leave until 1:16. So we're gonna go get some sandwiches.